Hey y'all, so in this video, I am going to be giving y'all a tour of my updated home office. Now, the first obvious change that you guys will see is that I have a pink wall now. Yes, I have a pink wall. Me and Jaden painted this wall, and I pretty much picked up the paint from Home Depot, or was it Lowe's? I picked it up from Home Depot. The paint probably was like, it was under $15. All of the equipment, the paintbrushes and everything, plus the paint altogether was under $20, and we pretty much just painted the wall pink just to add a pop of color. The second change is I no longer have that ugly brown sofa. Well, I still have that sofa, but I went to Walmart and I got a gray sofa cover. So I felt like gray was a better match for the room. And another thing that changed was I had a coffee table, but I did a DIY project and I turned my coffee table into this cute fur ottoman. I will have a tutorial on that coming up soon, so be on the lookout for that. Now, another thing that changed was I did add another shelf to the wall, just like the one from before. I got this one from IKEA as well. It's very affordable. Definitely, the shelves are under $15 a piece, so they're very affordable. All I did was just, poke some holes in the wall and set it up. I still have the same setup where I put the fur over the shelf like the last video, and also the black square cube. I got that from Walmart. I've had that since the last video. A lot of the items in this video I've had since the last home office tour. So if you're wondering about some of these items that I'm not mentioning in this video, definitely check out the first home office tour. Now another change that I added this mirror. This mirror was originally in my bedroom, but I thought it was so cute that I had like the pink wall and the reflection of the mirror, and it's like a really cute, setup to take selfies in a mirror. We all like mirror pictures still. I put my cute little sparkly shoes there because they're super cute. Why not? The white stand and everything is still there from the previous video. And right here, this is the wall. I was just like, I don't know what to do with this wall. So what I did, I added a curtain rod and I added this silk fabric that I got from Walmart. It was $4 for 2 yards. And the reason why I added it was because, y'all, the cords behind this freaking TV was an eyesore. It was just so ugly and I needed a solution for it. So I put up the curtain rod. And I added the silk fabric to it, and voila. Now it's cute. And right next to the TV is this cute poster that I got from IKEA. Yes, you guys, looking at YouTube videos, I thought IKEA was like this high price, expensive store, but IKEA got some real nice, affordable stuff. So I think I got this poster for under $10. And then the frame right up under the poster, I also got from IKEA. I believe it was under $10 as well. I think it was $8. But this is just something I just put together not too long ago. I will definitely put up a tutorial of this as well, how I got the flowers on there and how I printed all of these photos out from home. So look forward to that tutorial. And this is pretty much my home office. I think it's very important to be in a space that keeps you inspired, a space that's very pretty, a space that, makes you excited about doing the work that you want to do. If my work area is bland and the fact that I have to be here all day, every day, if it's bland, I'm going to feel unmotivated. So that was the reason why I really wanted to add a pop of color. Also, I feel like all of my product images, whether it's wigs or just hair, I feel like with this being my home office, with this being in the background, it just makes everything look 1,000 times better. And it just makes it seem like I really invest into my brand. I really invest into my business and all of that. And you know, I just feel like it's very important. So thank you all for watching this video. If y'all love my home office, definitely let me know below, and look forward to those tutorials that I have coming on the way. But yeah, thanks for watching.